Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to be making 3 quick, easy, and nutritious plant-based lunches. These are full of flavor and very satisfying. The first lunch I'm going to be making is a vegan egg salad sandwich. Right now I'm just pressing my tofu to absorb any excess water. Then I'm going to be transferring that into a large bowl and mashing the tofu with a fork. And then I found it easier just to crumble it with my fingers. Once I'm done mashing the tofu, I'm going to be adding my ingredients. Here's some vegan mayo. I'm then going to be adding some green onion. And some mustard. Here are all the spices I'll be needing for this recipe, and you can find the recipe in the description box below. One of the spices includes black salt, which gives it that eggy taste. So here I'm going to stir all the ingredients until they're all well combined. And now it's time for plating. I got a slice of whole wheat bread and a piece of romaine lettuce. Now I'm just going to scoop out some spoonfuls of the tofu mixture and just spread it along the bread. And there it is, a vegan egg salad sandwich. This was very delicious and satisfying. For my next lunch idea, I'm going to be making a tangy sweet potato salad. And I'm going to take a minute to ask you if you could like and subscribe this video if you haven't already. I make weekly videos about healthy eating, ideas on what to feed your kids, what I pack in my kids' lunchbox, and more. So by doing this, it helps me reach more people, so I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So back to the recipe, I'm just cutting my sweet potato into cubes. I'm cooking 2 sweet potatoes since mine are very small. You can roast them in the oven, steam them, but because I want to make this a quick lunch, I'm gonna boil mine. I've added my sweet potatoes to a bowl with some baby spinach, mashed avocado, sliced sweet cherry tomatoes, and a bit of lemon juice. With the other half of my lemon, I've added it to my water. This has many health benefits, one of them being that it's very good for digestion. So for the third lunch, I'm cooking some farro. Farro is an ancient grain which has a nutty flavor to it, and it's packed in protein. It's rich in magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. So I'm cooking this for about 14 minutes. This next step is optional, but I've toasted some almonds for one of my toppings. I've set this aside and used the hot pan for my sliced mushrooms. While my mushrooms are cooking, I'm adding my farro to a large bowl with chopped shallots, chives, whole grain mustard, and white wine vinegar. Once that's all combined, I'm going to add my arugula and spinach mix. I'm going to lightly toss this, and now it's ready to plate. Let me know if you've tried any of these recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!